And today on Have a Knife Day, we're here to check out the second knife I have added to my case knife collection. Now, if you go back and check on the other videos, I've done videos for the first knife and the third knife. This one took a little bit longer because it is an older knife, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to be able to, get the information, which led me over to the Facebook group Case XX Knives. Fantastic group, so very knowledgeable, so very helpful. And they sent me over to a website, Knife DB, the Alabama Gun Collectors Case Knife Series. And I'm going to put the links to all of this stuff in the descriptions to help you in your research of your collection. Because at the end of the day, we're a community that helps each other. So let's now, this did not come with this case knife sheath. And Case could not ship it to the People's Republic of California because of, various legal reasons, because of cancer or what have you. But Amazon, gee whiz, they came right through. So I was able to third-party this. And let's put this over here and check out the knife. So one of the things you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking at this case emblem right here, because they do change through the years, and it does have a lanyard hole, and I really like that. Now let's go ahead and open this up. As you can tell, my really long fingernails really help out. There you go. All right, so the next thing we're going to be looking at is the Case XX USA with these dots. There are 5 dots. Okay, and we're going to flip it over, and we have 6165 SAB. Now I'm going to put a picture up showing all the variations of the Case XX USA and the amount of dots, because that'll steer you into the age of the knife. And let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. This is not a small knife. This is a good sized knife. I really like it. I was just so very happy to add it to my collection. My mother's father, we had what was known as a mother-in-law's house at one of the places I lived growing up, and my mother's parents, they used to be farmers way back in the day, and my grandpa always had a slip joint in his pocket, and if he wasn't slicing apples with it or cutting with it, he was sharpening the darn thing. So this brings back a lot of good memories for me. So the knife details, the model number is 6165 SAB DR, tang number 6165 SAB, tang year 1975. And that's fantastic. I happen to remember 1975. I'm a little bit older than this knife. Knife DB ID 2911. And we're going to look at the knife variation remarks. Folding hunter with brown jigged packwood handles and a single oval case. Block letter shield. Saber ground chrome Vanadium blade shown in the catalog, used from May of 74 to August of 77. Fantastic. Now I'm going to be putting up next this picture of the different blades that are available. So when I look at this, okay, because there is a couple things. Saber ground, so this could be saber clip or spear blade, but when you look at the thumb notch, yeah, thank you, the thumb notch, it doesn't really line up. Well, it kind of does. So I'm going to either say this is the saber clip or spear blade or a California clip, because the clip blade, this is further back on the blade. Now let's check out some other things. Okay, put that up here. And you go ahead and pick up things, and it just grabs everything that it can. All right, I'm gonna say that is about a 3 3/4 inch blade with an overall length of, gee whiz, 9 1/8, maybe 9 1/4 if you're feeling sassy. There you go. And then from here, we'll put this back. And let's move some stuff around we're going to be talking about here in a minute or two. Get the handy dandy scale for Have a Knife Day. There we go. And put it on there. This weighs in at 4.9 ounces. And then you add in a sheath, it's 6.7 ounces. Put that there. Thank you so much. Reliable scale. And we'll bring back everything to here. Now, the first knife has something called rust lock. Now, mind you, this is an aftermarket. I think this is actually a 9mm mag case, but this did not come with a leather sheath, and it just kind of came down to the point. I might have one somewhere around here, but I think this one looks cooler. And the caveat of this one, it is a one-hand open. And the second knife, now this is a 6.5-inch bone stag folding hunter with 2 blades. And I'll let you take a look at that. Whoa, take it easy there, champ. There you go. Look, Mom, I still have all my fingers. There you go. How exciting life is sometimes. Put that over here and over here. So if you run into a problem, if your state is a little particular about, what these are, cured with, what have you, they're not vegetan. At least I don't think so. You can go over to maybe a third party, or as in my case, I took the chance on Amazon, and I was able to get these 2. I do have some other sheaths somewhere, but I think that one looks pretty darn cool. And here you are. So we've been able to identify this knife, find out how old it is, the particulars about it. We are smarter, at least I hope so. And this is a great bunch of history. And like I said, it brings back fond memories of my mother's father. Over there in the backyard, walk across the yard, go hang out with them for a while, hear the old stories. And, well, those are some great memories. All right, well, thank you so much for hanging out here with us here today. It is greatly appreciated. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We do have t-shirts that Have a Knife Day and Don't Tread on Me on the Etsy store. Please help me get rid of these. And you too could be too cool for school with your Have a Knife Day shirt. And as always, have a knife day. We will